Want futuristic tech without the ridiculous price tag? These high-tech Amazon gadgets are designed to make everyday life smarter, faster, and way more fun. From clever upgrades you'll use daily to tech you didn't know you needed, each one punches well above its price. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Keys are easy to lose, but your fingerprint isn't going anywhere. This smart fingerprint padlock lets you unlock your locker, bag, or suitcase with a simple touch. You set it up once, and after that, it recognizes you instantly. No codes to remember. It's rechargeable, so you don't deal with batteries, and a light alerts you when it's time to charge. Small, lightweight, and sleek, it keeps your stuff secure without adding bulk to your day. Fire and light packed into one tough little tool. This plasma arc lighter uses electricity instead of fuel, so you get a strong spark that works even in windy conditions. Flip on the built-in flashlight, and you're ready for dark campsites, power outages, or late-night walks. It's rechargeable, meaning you just plug it in and go, no refills needed. Compact, water-resistant, and easy to carry, it's the kind of gadget you'll want to keep close outdoors. This humidifier looks like it came straight out of a futuristic movie scene. Shaped like a sleek grenade, it instantly turns your room into a modern statement while quietly adding moisture to the air. You get both style and function in one compact gadget that actually feels fun to use. It fits perfectly on a desk, nightstand, or shelf, and adds personality without trying too hard. If you like tech-inspired decor, this is an easy way to upgrade your space. Running out of battery doesn't have to slow you down anymore. This compact power bank keeps your phone topped up with a built-in retractable cable, so you never have to hunt for one. Just pull it out, plug in, and start charging instantly. Fast charging means you get more power in less time. Perfect when you're in a rush. With enough capacity to recharge your devices multiple times, it's a reliable backup you'll want with you every day. Learning to ride this feels more like play than practice. This electric unicycle uses a unique dual-tire setup that balances side to side, so you stay upright without fighting it. The smart self-balancing system constantly adjusts for you, making it feel stable and confidence-boosting from the first ride. Larger air-filled tires smooth out bumps, so you get a comfortable glide instead of a shaky roll. Add the built-in seat, and you've got a fun, beginner-friendly ride the whole family can enjoy. Lighting a flame shouldn't depend on perfect weather. This electric lighter creates a powerful plasma arc that works even in strong wind and rain. It's fully rechargeable, so you just plug it in and never worry about fuel again. A built-in LED light helps you see what you're doing in the dark or in emergencies. With a sleek metal body and a clear battery indicator, you always know when it's ready to go. Winning starts with having the right control in your hand. This ergonomic gaming mouse is built for speed, precision, and comfort during long sessions. You can adjust the sensitivity up to very high DPI, which means smoother aiming and faster reactions when it matters most. Programmable buttons let you set custom actions, so your favorite moves are always one click away. With vibrant lighting and a comfortable grip, you stay focused, comfortable, and fully in the game. Your nightstand doesn't need to look like a charging station explosion. This all-in-one wireless stand lets you power your phone, earbuds, watch, and more from one clean setup. Just place your devices down and they start charging, no cable juggling required. The built-in clock syncs automatically and adds a soft glow that makes your space feel smarter and calmer. If you like everything charged, visible, and neatly organized, this does it all in one spot. Bring your games and music to life with sound that matches the action. This compact Bluetooth speaker delivers clear, punchy audio with a built-in subwoofer for deeper bass. RGB lighting adds style, cycling through modes that match your music or gaming vibe. You can go wireless with Bluetooth or plug in via AUX for instant connection. With long battery life and easy controls, it's perfect for your desk, room, or even taking on the go. Take your videos and selfies anywhere with this portable ring light. It folds down compactly, fits in its box, and sets up in seconds on its adjustable tripod. 3 color modes and multiple brightness levels let you get the perfect lighting for makeup, streaming, or video calls. The built-in battery keeps you going for hours. No cords needed. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to carry, it's ideal for creators on the move or anyone who wants professional lighting at home. Take your selfies and videos to the next level with this magnetic LED fill light. It snaps onto your phone effortlessly, giving you bright, even lighting wherever you are. You can adjust color and brightness to get the perfect look for photos, videos, or calls. It's rechargeable and portable, so you can carry it in your pocket and use it anywhere. With a reversible design and universal compatibility, it's perfect for content creators on the go. Unleash your creativity with this portable laser engraver that fits right on your desk. It's powerful enough to cut wood, acrylic, leather, and even some metals, yet precise enough to capture tiny details with 0.05 millimeters accuracy. High-speed engraving and dual lens focusing mean your designs come out sharp and fast every time. Lightweight and adjustable, it works on objects of all shapes and sizes, making it perfect for DIY projects, gifts, or custom creations. Ready to take your gaming setup to the next level? This wireless mechanical keyboard gives you extreme speed and precision in every keystroke. Its compact 75% layout saves desk space without losing functionality, and the aluminum chassis feels solid while absorbing vibrations for a smooth typing experience. You can switch instantly between Bluetooth, wired, or ultra-low latency wireless modes, making it perfect for gaming or productivity. Accidents can happen when you least expect them, so it's smart to be prepared. This 2-in-1 car safety hammer helps you escape fast, with a built-in seatbelt cutter and a spring-loaded window breaker. Just a quick push shatters glass in seconds, while the U-shaped blade slices through seatbelts safely without cutting you. Lightweight and portable, it fits in your car or bag so you always have it nearby. Perfect for anyone, young or old. It's a simple tool that can save lives in an emergency. Bring a piece of aviation magic to your desk. This jet engine model spins like the real thing, with colorful lights that make the fan blades glow in motion. Its sleek carbon fiber-style base and finely detailed ABS body give it a futuristic, techy look. You can watch it whirl anytime, turning a simple desk into a captivating display. Perfect for aviation fans, engineers, or anyone who loves unique, eye-catching gadgets. Turn any space into a cozy little music corner. This portable Bluetooth speaker delivers clear sound with rich bass, making it perfect for cooking, working, or hosting a small party. Its retro pixel art design adds charm to your desk, shelf, or countertop, while the FM radio and Type-C support keep your listening options flexible. You can even create custom pixel art or join a community of designers for endless fun. Small, stylish, and full of features, it's a speaker you'll actually want to show off. Take your adventures to the skies with this mini 4K camera drone. It shoots crystal clear 4K video with a 3-axis gimbal, keeping every shot smooth and cinematic. Weighing under 249 grams, it flies without registration hassle, and its wind-resistant design handles breezy days with ease. With up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and 2 batteries giving over an hour of flight, you can explore far and wide. Beginner-friendly controls let you take off, land, and hover with just one tap, making it fun for anyone. Meet your new desk buddy that's more than just a gadget. This AI robot sees, hears, and chats with you using built-in voice commands and ChatGPT, making conversations surprisingly lifelike. Turn up the music and watch it dance, or play interactive games through the companion app. It even responds to touch and reacts to changes, just like a real pet, bringing a fun, lively vibe to your workspace. When it's low on power, it finds its charging station all on its own, so the fun never stops. Level up your gaming audio with these true wireless earbuds. Ultra-low latency keeps every sound perfectly in sync, so you never miss a beat or a step in the game. Active noise cancellation and dual mics block distractions while letting your voice come through clearly. RGB lights and a sleek metal charging case give them a futuristic vibe, while Bluetooth 5.3 lets you connect to 2 devices at once. Small, powerful, and stylish, they make gaming and music more immersive than ever. Take control right from your finger with this smart Bluetooth ring. You can scroll through ebooks, apps, or even control your camera with simple gestures. Waterproof and stylish, it looks just like a regular ring while letting you interact with your devices hands-free. Magnetic charging gets you 5 hours of use in just half an hour, and the long-lasting battery keeps it running for days. Small, sleek, and practical, it turns everyday tasks into effortless magic. Turn any wall into a cinematic experience with this portable 4K projector. Its touchscreen makes navigating apps and movies a breeze, while autofocus and keystone correction keep every image sharp and perfectly aligned. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth let you stream from over 1,000 apps or connect speakers for immersive sound. Adjustable up to a massive 250-inch display and swiveling 180 degrees. It's perfect for movie nights, gaming, or outdoor fun. Say goodbye to bulky chargers and tangled cords with these USB rechargeable AA batteries. Just plug them into any USB port and they start charging, no extra cables needed. Each battery lasts for over 500 charges, giving you long-term power for remotes, toys, keyboards, and more. The red and blue LED indicators let you know when they're charging or ready to go. Simple, convenient, and reliable, they make keeping your devices powered effortless. Keep your phone icy even during the hottest gaming sessions. This magnetic cooler drops temperatures fast, preventing overheating, frame drops, and lag in games or streams. Its 18 customizable RGB LEDs light up your setup with a unique Rubik's Cube mode, while dual sensors monitor and adjust cooling automatically. Detachable grips let you attach it to phones, tablets, or even laptops, making it versatile for gaming, streaming, or filming. Small, powerful, and stylish, it keeps your device running at peak performance. See the invisible with this mini handheld thermal camera. It captures sharp images up to 240 by 240 resolution, making it perfect for inspecting homes, electrical systems, or machinery. Measure temperatures from below freezing to scorching heat, and get instant alerts when readings go beyond preset limits. Lightweight, durable, and pocket-friendly, it runs up to 15 hours and even survives drops. Smart, portable, and reliable, it turns inspections and diagnostics into an effortless task. Control your TV, PC, or projector with a flick of your wrist using this Air Mouse remote. It combines a mini wireless keyboard and motion-sensing cursor for smooth typing and precise navigation. Just plug in the USB receiver and you're ready to go. No aiming at the screen required. Auto sleep and wake-up save power, while strong compatibility works with Windows, Android, Mac, and Linux devices. Compact, smart, and versatile, it makes controlling media and games effortless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.